Welcome to a deep dive into Deus Ex Machina, a powerful yet controversial plot device in literature and theatre. Let's explore how gods, gadgets, and sudden miracles shaped storytelling across centuries. Definition: Deus Ex Machina, meaning God from the machine, refers to a sudden, unexpected resolution to a seemingly unsolvable conflict, often by divine or external intervention. It's a storytelling twist, dramatic, abrupt, and sometimes unsettling. Etymology and origin. The term originates from ancient Greek theatre. A machine, often a crane, was used to lower a god onto the stage to resolve the play's climax. This literal arrival of a deity symbolizes divine will overriding human chaos. Historical context. In Greek tragedy, playwright Euripides used this device extensively. It symbolized divine justice or cosmic correction. Sophocles and Aeschylus used it sparingly. Memory trick: God from crane equals plot's airplane. A sudden arrival that lifts the story. Classical examples. Classic examples include Euripides' Medea, where the goddess Helios saves Medea in a chariot, or Sophocles' Philoctetes, where Heracles resolves the plot at the end. These interventions shaped ancient theatrical endings. Literary features. This device interrupts realism and breaks logical narrative flow. It bypasses character-driven solutions and imposes external control, often symbolic, spiritual, or satirical. Critical reception. Aristotle, in Poetics, criticized Deus Ex Machina, saying, "The solution of the plot must come from within the plot itself." Modern critics view it as either lazy writing or deliberate symbolism, depending on usage. Notable literary examples: post-classical. Later literature continued this trend, from Don Quixote to The Lord of the Flies. Authors use it either seriously or ironically. The function evolved from divine rescue to narrative surprise. Usage in theatre and film. In theatre, it's still used in satire and meta-theatre. In cinema, especially in sci-fi and fantasy, it's common. Think of War of the Worlds or The Matrix. Critics often point to rushed endings as signs of Deus Ex Machina. Modern adaptations and satirical uses. Contemporary writers use it knowingly to critique narrative structure, parody clichés, or explore deeper themes. It's become a tool of irony as much as resolution. Symbolic interpretations. Symbolically, Deus Ex Machina reflects our longing for rescue, order from chaos, or the presence of fate. It's not always about plot, it's often about belief, fear, or hope. Lesser-known examples. Look beyond the obvious, even sitcoms and graphic novels use this trope. Unexpected inheritances, miraculous cures, or magical resets all echo this classic device. Matching question style practice. Here's a quick practice set. Match the literary work to the correct example of Deus Ex Machina. Answer: 1B, 2A, 3C, 4D. MCQs. Let's test your understanding with some key multiple-choice questions. These are useful for competitive exams who first criticized the use of Deus Ex Machina in literary theory. Aristotle: what does Deus Ex Machina literally mean? God from the machine. Which of the following films uses this device? Jurassic Park. Revision table. Use this quick table to revise the definition, origin, examples, criticisms, and symbolic meanings, all at a glance. Common confusions. Remember, Deus Ex Machina is not just surprise endings. It specifically involves an external force solving a central conflict, not internal character growth or planned outcomes. Critic view summary. Critics are divided. Aristotle disapproved, while modern theorists sometimes defend its poetic and postmodern use. The context, intent, and genre matter greatly. Conclusion: is Deus Ex Machina good or bad? Ultimately, Deus Ex Machina is a narrative double-edged sword. It can feel like a cheat, or a profound metaphor for intervention and fate. Used well, it inspires. Used poorly, it disappoints. The choice lies with the creator.